You can save a ton of time working by using Excel shortcut keys. And by these, I mean the F keys or function keys along the top of your keyboard. Let's take a look. Pressing F1 will open the Help menu, and here you can type your question in the search field, or you can browse other common help topics. F2 will let you step into a cell so that you can make in-cell edits. Well, F3 opens up the Paste Name dialog box, and this lets you do a couple of things. So once you open the dialog box, you can click on Paste List to create a list of all the named ranges in your sheet and the cells they include. If instead you select a specific named range and click OK, it will paste the contents of that named range wherever your cursor is. So when you use the F3 shortcut, make sure that wherever you place your cursor, you have room for all of the contents that will populate. By pressing F4, you can toggle through absolute reference options to lock the cell to the immediate left of the cursor location within the cell that you're in. And this is the $ that's used to lock your cell references. And also, if you're editing a cell that already has data in it, you may have to press F2 to step into it, then press F4. Pressing F5 will open the Go To dialog box so that you can jump to a specific spot in your sheet. So you can select one of the named ranges if you have one, or you can type a specific cell address in the reference box. You can use F6 to toggle through different parts of your sheet, including if you've split it into panes. So let's do that so you can see what I mean. So divide it into the 4 panes. If I press F6, notice how my selected active cell begins to cycle through the panes in a clockwise direction. And if I continue pressing it, notice how sheet 1 at the bottom is now highlighted. I can arrow over, press enter, and move on to sheet 2. Let's go back to sheet 1. If I press F6 again, notice how now my zoom option is highlighted. So I can press enter and zoom into my screen a bit more. I can arrow over, press enter again to zoom out. Press F6 again, and now my key tips are selected along my ribbon. F7 will launch your spell check. F8 will activate extend mode, and what this means is that you can now use your arrows to select surrounding cells, extending your selected range of cells. If the formulas in your workbook are set to manual calculation, you can press F9 to force any calculations. F10 selects the key tips in your ribbon, and these work like shortcuts, so you can press the letter or number on your keyboard that is being shown next to each option to open that option. So for example, from here, if I press H, it will take me to the Home tab. Pressing L will open conditional formatting, and so on. And with your cursor anywhere within your chosen data set, you can press F11 to automatically create a chart of your data in its own tab. And when you're done, you can press F12 to open the Save As dialog box and save your file. For more tutorials like this, click on these links. Thanks.